I'm Darsha Besindra, Director of Ace Switchboards. We manufacture electrical switchboard for electrical industry. We manufacture starting from distribution boards up to main switchboards above 4,000 amps. We installed solar in our electrical manufacturing plant last year because it's an ideal load for solar because we have a daytime load in the workshop. So with that, we think that we achieved one of our sustainability goals last year to reduce our carbon footprint in manufacturing. The latest addition to Ace Manufacturing is our brand new laser machine. It's a lot of energy consumed compared to before, so we decided to have look around to minimize our electricity cost as well as making our production more sustainable. We make sure we run our laser machines when sun is out. We selected Greenwood solutions for our solar install because we have been working with them guys for the last 7 years. So we have a good relationship with Greenwood, and they did a terrific job in installing solar. They did an excellent job in installing solar in our workshop 1 year ago, so we have given them the other 2 factories as well. Investing in environmental sustainability is benefiting long term. Like we can see most of our clients value our efforts. So this is financially viable. I wouldn't say there's no benefit of it. There's definitely financial benefit as well. Non-green manufacturing is going to be a thing of past. So we need to focus for the future and do our responsibility.